Another manual operation to look at would be the elevator and feed conveyor. So let's go ahead and put our system back in manual mode. Okay, and I'm going to head over to the elevator panel. Okay, you can see I have our manual mode light on. I don't have any boxes to sort. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and say test the manual operations. So I can advance the elevator, raise it to the top. See, I can move the clamp. The clamp is actually back here, a little bit more difficult to see. Let's see if I get a better view of that. Okay, let's position ourselves a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to close the clamp and then open the clamp again. Go ahead and advance the pusher. Return the pusher. Plate open. Plate closed. And I'm going to have to go over here to show you this one. And then I have that little turn flap that comes out to turn the boxes around. So a full manual control of the elevator. Now if I want to bring a pallet in, that becomes a little bit more difficult. In this setup, I'll have to go to the pallet panel and turn on the pallet feed conveyor. A little bit jumpy here. So that should bring a pallet up to the elevator. I'm going to stop the pallet feed conveyor. Start the elevator conveyor, stop it. Okay, so now I have a pallet on the elevator itself, and I can go back to the elevator panel. Let's go back to the elevator panel and raise the elevator up. Now in a classroom environment, if you were explaining how the system was to function in manual, you'd see, okay, if I wanted to bring a pallet into the station, I'd have to go down to my pallet panel, turn the conveyors on, bring the pallet in, then I'd have to walk back up on the deck and operate the elevator. So maybe this isn't the optimum placement for manual panels for this operation. Okay, now I can't run this whole system in manual. I could bring one box up to it in manual, turn that feed conveyor on. So let's go ahead and turn the feed conveyor on, which is up here. And I can turn the other feed conveyor on, bring the box all the way in. Okay, so unless I bring more boxes up to this conveyor, that's as far as I can go for that manual operation. But I could go ahead and turn these conveyors back off and advance the pusher and push that box onto the plate. Return the pusher, and then I can actually go ahead and open the plate and drop the box down if I wanted to. And then send the elevator back down. Close the plate. Let's pop back over to the pallet panel. And I can turn the exit conveyor on, and then the elevator, oops, wrong one, elevator panel, or elevator conveyor. And again, once we get to the remover, that object will disappear. So I could go through a full manual operation with this setup. System stop, mode reset.